The late great Muhammad Ali said, if my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. If you can't stand the heat, get your butt out the kitchen.
You got to understand that there are going to be many circumstances that will require your full, undivided attention.
Remember this, you can be a victim of your life or the master of it, but the choice is yours.
The time is now. There is no more time to waste. Stop sacrificing your success.
The mindset of a champion, the mindset of a winner, is the growth mindset, where you decide to move forwards into growth. The choice is yours. You're either growing or you're dying.
Deliberately replace those thoughts of hopelessness with motivation. Deliberately replace those thoughts of defeat with a drive to be better. Your mindset can deliver you a great life. So get to the business of deliberately leading it there, because it can't happen any other way.
You've got to start with that belief in your mind. I've got this. I can do this. I can conquer this. I can pass this exam. I can get elected for the position that I'm going for. I can create abundance in my life. These are the thoughts that you have to have in your mind in order to become successful. So what is it time for you to build? What is it time for you to create? What do you need to do more or less of in order to get the results that you want?
There's always going to be ups and downs in life, man. There's always going to be bumps in the road. Things that ain't going to go as planned. Unexpected stuff's going to happen. You're going to face some pain. You're going to face some tough times. And if you ain't trained your mind to be prepared for it and how to handle it, it's going to break you. The secret is to work on your mindset daily. Work on the way that you see the world. Otherwise, you'll live your whole life seeing the world through someone else's eyes. You'll be a creature of circumstance. You'll be a victim of your life and not the master of it. Read books, listen to audios like this one. Start learning about why you do the things that you shouldn't do and why you don't do the things that you should. It's all because of the way that thing between your ears is wired. But know this, you're in control of rewiring it whenever you make the decision to do so. At any moment, you can take control back of your life and start creating a life that you deserve, not a life that someone else has paved out for you. And when all of the struggle comes, all of the bad times, all of the dark times come around, which they inevitably will, you'll be strong enough to take it head on, and it'll make you rather than break you. You have greatness inside you, let me tell you. Unlimited potential. But you have to train your mind. Every single day, things are going to happen outside of your control. The weather, terrorism, coronavirus. But you can't control any of that shit. All you can control is how you choose to look at situations. You can control the information that you're letting in here. Never forget that you can have anything in this life that you want if you're willing to go and get it. You've got to have belief. You've got to have belief, and that belief comes from working on your mindset every single day. I was 19 years old. I had a 1-year-old baby and another one on the way, and I didn't have a pot to piss in. I was working in a factory, 12-hour shifts, days and nights, and I made a decision to change. I painted my earphones orange and blue to match the colour of the earplugs that we had to wear. And all I would do was listen to audios like this one, training my mind every second I could. That decision changed my life forever.
I used to wonder if mindset really mattered. I thought that success was all about talent and skill set, but I came to realize that someone who is great at what they do can quickly be bypassed by someone who is less talented but more confident. Remember this, confidence attracts, but unbelief repels. So if you have a mindset that you are average or that you never get great opportunities, without realizing it, you are creating your reality. Many of the people you look up to, they are not super smart or super talented. You are just as smart and talented as they are. They just latched on to their dream and developed the mental fortitude necessary to keep going when they were feeling the frustration that you might be feeling right now. And so there will be days when you feel weary. But battles are not won based upon feelings. Your commitment must overpower your feelings. So the fundamental question to worry is, what if? What if I do a bad job? What if I don't get the money that I need? What if people don't like the content that I'm putting out? But if you want to get better results, you're going to have to shift from sinking to building. You're going to have to shift from worrying to saying, you know what, I got this. That's what mindset is all about. Mindset is about having confidence in yourself. Mindset is about saying, I don't care what comes up. I don't care what obstacles come my way. I have this under control. Why? Because if I think it, I can imagine it, I can envision it, and then I can help this thing come to pass. Oh, I hope I'm helping y'all today. These are the things that you've got to focus on. At the end of the day, mindset matters.
Start your day with power and know that you are enough. You are enough and you have what you need to succeed. You are enough. You're equipped for greatness. You're powerful beyond your greatest imagination. In business, sports, and life, you have to develop a championship mindset. What sets you apart from the pack? Once an obstacle confronts you, you're going to kick it down. You're going to overcome. You're going to rise.
I highly recommend that you take a good look at yourself from the inside out and realize that you are not out of the fight, that you are born to win, regardless of the circumstances. Don't ever give up on you, because you matter. And it is this time for you to realize that the mindset must be put in the right place, because it's only so much time that you have. So don't waste it. Don't waste it on doubt. Don't waste it on negativity. Don't waste it on fear. Put all your effort into being the best individual, the best makeup of who you truly are.
You are a champion, a warrior. You must build a mindset for success. A mindset that can endure pain and struggle, because it will come. Your mindset will make or break you. Mindset matters. Anybody that tells you differently don't have what it takes to be great. You can develop it. You can mold it. I want you to push. Whether you're an All-American athlete, All-State, All-World, or All-Nothing athlete. Whether you're the CEO, the CFO, or the janitor, or even jobless. You need to develop a mindset that's going to launch you towards the success that you deserve, the success that you want, the success that you need. Don't allow anybody to confront you with their fears. No, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. I am unstoppable.